I don't feel the way that I've been feeling before you came into my life. And I knew that you could turn me on every time you came into my mind.